In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Telegram channel link. Whether you're inviting a few friends or posting your channel on a website, the process is quick and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open the channel you want to share. Make sure you're inside the channel itself, not just a chat with a person or a group. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the channel's posts, its icon, and the subscriber count. Next, tap or click the channel name at the top of the screen. This opens the channel's info page. Depending on your device, you might see details like the description, the username, the number of subscribers, and options such as notifications and media. This is where Telegram keeps the sharing tools. Now find the invite link. For public channels, this is usually a simple t.me username link that anyone can open. For private channels, Telegram provides a special invite link that looks similar but only works for people who receive it. If you don't see an invite link, check that you're viewing the channel's info page, and remember that on some devices you may need to look for an invite link or share link button inside the info menu. Also note that only admins can view or share private invite links. When you see the link, choose the copy link option. Telegram will place the full t.me link on your clipboard. If your app offers a share button, that's fine too, but copying ensures you can paste the link wherever you like. A quick tip. After copying, paste it into a note or a message to yourself to confirm it looks correct. Finally, share it anywhere you prefer. You can paste the link into a chat, an email, a social media post, or even add it to a website or a QR code generator. People who open the link will be taken straight to your channel and can join from there. If it's a private invite link, share it only with people you trust because anyone with that link can access the channel. If you're on the desktop app, you may find the same option by opening the three-dot menu on the channel page and selecting Manage Channel, then Invite Link. On iOS or Android, the link often lives under the channel name or in the Edit menu. One final tip. A public link matches your channel's username, so changing the username later will also change the link. And that's all there is to it. Open the channel, go to its info page, copy the invite link, and share it wherever you need.